Welcome to the course preview for LRE01 SPEX 2020 LoadRunner Enterprise 2020 Digital Learning for Testers. This course is intended for the Microfocus users who want to learn the Microfocus LoadRunner Enterprise product. LoadRunner Enterprise is a cross-enterprise tool for planning and running multiple performance test projects. It allows you to remotely monitor concurrent tests across different geographic locations. This course is delivered as a learning session with 9 modules. In the first module, you will learn about LRE architecture and various components in LRE, such as controllers and load generators. In the second module, you will have a basic overview of the LRE user site. You will learn how to log in to LRE and view tests and time slots in LRE. In the third module, you will learn how to upload VUGen scripts to LRE. In the fourth module, you will learn how to create a load test, test set, and monitor profiles. You will also learn how to configure monitor profiles to load test and define SLA for the load test created in LRE. In the fifth module, you will learn how to configure a scenario, add scripts, load generators, and controller to load test. You will also learn how to reserve a time slot for the load test in LRE. In the remaining 4 modules, you will learn how to run the load test and monitor the load test under execution. You will learn about the performance application lifecycle and how to create trend reports in LRE and much more. You will learn about the 24/7 web-based LoadRunner Enterprise. Get to know its basics and learn how the LoadRunner Enterprise is a globally accessible platform with centralized resource management. Learn how it runs multiple tests simultaneously and share test assets across the project. You will further learn how it integrates with other Microfocus software including ALM Octane, Sitescope, and UFT Mobile. Load testing consists of 5 phases: planning, creation of scripts, designing a test scenario, load test execution, and results analysis. You will learn each of the 5 phases. The basic deployment for LoadRunner Enterprise requires a LoadRunner Enterprise server, LoadRunner Enterprise host, load generators, and LoadRunner Enterprise backend components, which include LoadRunner Enterprise database and repository. The first step towards building the load test is to prepare scripts. A vUser scripts describes the actions that a vUser performs. You can upload vUser scripts directly to LoadRunner Enterprise and use them. You can also upload the scripts directly from VUGen for use. You will learn about them in the course. The course also contains videos such as the one displayed, which shows how to log in to LoadRunner Enterprise. You use the scheduler to create a schedule that distributes the load in a performance test in a controlled manner. A performance test schedule contains a sequence of actions that instruct the test when to start running a vUser group, how to initialize vUsers, when to start and stop running vUsers, and how long to run an action. By the end of this course, you will know how to identify the components of the LoadRunner Enterprise (LRE), apply the recommended workflow to create a basic test scenario in LRE, assign scripts, performance monitors, load generators (LGs), and virtual users (VUsers) to a scenario based on your load testing goals in LRE, perform a load test on your application by running a scenario in LRE, Access and analyze HTML reports of load test results in LRE. At the end of the course, to help you retain the skills in the learning series, you will need to attempt a specialist exam. This exam consists of a certain number of questions. You will need to achieve a passing score of 70%. On successful completion of the exam, you will be awarded a badge. You can find the link for LoadRunner Enterprise modules in the description. Click the Micro Focus Software Education link in the description of this video to enroll or contact your software education customer service representative to learn more about additional Micro Focus software training offerings.